Alright, here is our Honda CRF110. This is the last carbureted model. I think this is a, let's see here. You can barely see in there, but 2018 model. 19 went to fuel injection with a throttle body, so we'll have to get one of those in the future. But this is getting ready for the repair manual production. These things are super fun. If you like pit bikes, bikes for younger riders to learn on, backyard motocross, just whatever. There's so many parts for these type of bikes to modify them and build them, or they're just super reliable and fun for kids. And we've already done the KLX110 / DRZ110. We have done the Yamaha TTR110, and now we're finally getting to the Honda. So this will be fun. This is a real clean one here we picked up, and get into all the details on this and do a complete teardown like normal, and do a little bit of riding. It's a nice fall day here in North Carolina. This area recently just got mowed. There used to be a pretty sweet mini bike track down here. So with a bike like the Honda around, makes you think we should get it going again. So we'll get this thing in here on the lift and start the big tear down, and put links up to the manual when it's done. And as usual, color pictures, full tear down, tech support with your subscription. If you want a printed book, we can do that. It comes with a free year of online access, so should have you covered for all your CRF110 needs here. And then put it back together and then go riding.